Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instructions on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging products. Today, we will review how to assemble and seal our Qube adherence packaging using SynMed automated workflow technology. Place 8 blisters into the SynMed tray. Next, insert the tray into the SynMed machine and fill according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the patient information label inside the front cover of the Qube card. Turn over the card so the front cover is facing up and fold back the grid panel. While keeping the grid panel in its folded position, turn the card over and remove the liner from the adhesive panel at a 45-degree angle. Next, align the Qube card carefully, ensuring the notch on the card lines up to the marker on the SynMed tray. Then, use your hand to apply pressure to establish a bond. Use a roller to apply pressure, rolling multiple times and ensuring the card is fully adhered to the blister. Remove the card from the tray and turn over so the medication summary label is facing up. Press down the grid panel over the blister and against the adhesive using a bending motion for consistent contact across the surface of the panel, ensuring it lays flat. Move the Qube card to the manual sealing tray and use a roller to create the final seal between all the layers of the card. Once the pharmacist has verified the contents for accuracy, the Qube is ready to dispense. Patients should be instructed on the use of the Qube. To access the contents of a blister, puncture the blister backing, peel back the label, and remove the medication inside. Please note that the card is not child resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.